local storage later on. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let me just show you how this app looks and how it works. So I will be clicking on this show daily affirmations, and we'll be waiting for a couple of seconds. Notification will be popping up, and that notification will have an affirmation, a story, or something of that format. So let's see. So here we can see there's a notification that has come up. When I click on the notification, I can see there's a small story. The area is abundance, and you can read the story. And so this is the first affirmation that we have gotten. Now in every, so the time that I have set for this notification right now is 30 seconds, so that I could show you throughout this video. But you can change it. You can keep it hourly, or you can keep it one day a week, or every day in a month, or so on. So it has generated again another notification. All right, so for now I will keep it like that. And I will first show you how you can integrate your Flutter push notifications in your application. So for that, the first thing that you need is the Flutter local notifications package. You have to go to this, and then you have to install this package. Now there are two ways in which you can do it. You can do it through the command prompt, or you can directly add it in your config.yml file. These notifications will keep popping up. So for now, I will just cancel the daily affirmation. So now the notifications won't pop up. All right. So here, as I had mentioned, so the Flutter local notifications, right? So once you have done this, you have to install it, right? uh, okay, so there are some steps involved. So you can either add it to the command prompt, or you can directly add it in your pubspec.yml file. Once you have done that, here there are a couple of steps that you need to follow to integrate the Flutter local notifications, which I'll be going through step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is inside your build.gradle, inside your app build.gradle file, you have to add this multi-dex enable to true. And inside your compile options, you have to add core library desugaring enabled as true. Once you have added these two, over here in your dependencies as well, you have to add these dependencies. These lines of code will be available in your documentation, so you can go through the documentation as well once. So in your Gradle setup, they have shown that whatever you need to add, this is the dependency you need to add, this is your multi-dex enable that you need to add. Once you have added these, you have to go to your android manifest.xml file, and over here inside your application tag, you have to add this receiver tag. Okay, and these are the actions that you need to add inside. Once you have done this, we will be setting up our local notifications, right? So I have created a file named local notifications.dart in which I'll be setting up my local notifications. So over here, I have initialized a variable named flutter local notifications plugin. And here, this on click notification is basically the behavior that I have initialized. So whenever you click on the notification, what will happen, right? So in this method on notification tab, the type that I have specified is notification response. And whenever you click on a notification, then you will be adding the, like, so you will be passing the payload inside the on click notification. Here you have initialized the notifications, right? So this is the icon that you see inside the notification, which is your launcher icon. And these steps are as well mentioned in your documentation. If you can see your, after you have initialized your android manifest.xml, you can get all this code inside your documentation, which I'll be linking in the description. Once you have done all this, you will be initializing your notifications, right? And so here you can see the whole code. You just need to copy this code and you need to paste it over here. So once you have initialized all these notifications, I have created another method named show notifications. So inside show notifications, I will be specifying the channel ID, the channel description, the importance of the notification, and there is this method await flutter local notifications plugin dot show. So instead of dot show, you can also use dot show periodically, or you can set a time zone, but for scheduling it, I have used cron. All right, so here I will be specifying the title, body, the notification details, and the payload. And over here, So on notification tap, okay, so this is the method that I have initialized over here. So whenever I tap on a notification, this is the action that will be performed. Now for the UI, you can see I have used two buttons and a lottie.network file over here. And so all right, so in my body, I have used the lottie.network. There I have used two rows with the elevated button dot icon, wherein I've specified the icon and what function I'll be performing inside it. So whenever I press the show daily affirmations, this schedule affirmation is the function that gets called. Inside schedule affirmation, I will be scheduling a cron job. So for scheduling a cron job, I have the local notifications dot show notification. So the title for it would be today's affirmation. The body would be the affirmation that I set, and so would be the payload. Now, inside my init state, there's a method that I call named listen to notification, right? So this listen to notification is nothing but whenever I tap on the notification, so this listen event of the listen notification dot on click on notification, this will stream and this will listen to that particular event. And whenever I click on that notification, it will redirect to this another page named my notification, which was the page that we saw. In my notification, again, I will be passing the payload. And this is a simple page in which I have used a card, inside which I'm using again a lottie file. So it will just check whichever area it is, and depending on that area, it will change the image of the lottie. So I have used three different images over here, and that you get as a response or you get as a notification. And I hope you all like this. I hope you will try it out. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.